you got?
Oh, this is from my work truck, my gold truck.
Oh,
that 2500.
One you're gonna pull your thing with.
Yeah, we're gonna clean it. I'm gonna clean it up, put a cam in it.
I'm wondering what we're doing with damn things there that you eliminated. Oh wow, brand new model.
Yeah, Austin just put them on.
Yeah.
Easiest way we found to wash up underneath the truck. See, now we can get all up under here, clean real good. Gotta clean this thing cool.
This is my element.
Told you.
That looked pretty good, Trey. I'll give you that. Looks real good.
I hate pressure washing and shit like this. I get soaking wet. I do not give y'all rights to put my shit out there. Yeah.
Spin my motor over, man, before it locks up again.
I'm trying to hear where it's coming
You trying
from.
to hear?
Yes. You gotta become one with the motor.
I love these GM wiring harnesses.
Make things a bit easier, huh?
I set the motor and everything back in.
What kind of steering wheel you got, Mason?
You know, it's a Phillips head number 2. Sooner or later, we're gonna put one of these engines in a vehicle, and it's gonna run. It's gonna
We
go.
have like 7 LSs around here. Not one of them.
I know. I ain't seen a single one of them run yet, but one of them one day is gonna go in a vehicle and run.
Yeah, that's how I can motor mount one. Nice, nice, nice.
You gotta ease it down. It's awful good to dip.
Need power steering fluid in it, or Mercury LV, or whatever the hell you want to put in. I guess I'll tap on the starter, because that's probably what it is, with acid all in that bending shit.
The contact's unplugged.
Yeah.
Fuck is that noise?
It sounds like lifters. I mean, that's the only thing it can be with that much wrecking.
Did the 735 push rods fix it? 7.4 open the factory. 735. Why Ford technicians, Ford mechanics should not be working on GMs. So here, yeah, there they are. There they are. There's the.
Don't blame it on me. You can supervise it.
I might have gotten on Amazon, ordered some gasket kit for my 6-liter 2500 here. Inside here we have a motor. On top of this motor we have a head gasket. So when we put this thing together, we had a noise after cranking it up. What we figured out is my dumb ass ordered the wrong head gaskets. We ordered a 5.7 head gasket, and then somehow this dumbass put the head gasket in unsupervised. I was not here supervising, but yeah. Hopefully we're gonna take this head gasket out, and we got some 6-liter / 6.2 liter head gaskets here. Hopefully this thing's gonna sound better next time.
I'll record going in a ditch.